Okay, I'm gonna do a quick video on a delivery that I got today on Owl Furniture Salve. I love this stuff. I use this to freshen the drawers in a lot of my pieces of furniture where there's just a funky smell and that needs to be freshened up. But I have my daughter Madeline here, and she's gonna tell me which scent she likes the best out of the two that I ordered. So the first one is tobacco flower. You have to be honest. Get a good whiff.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good? Okay. And then the next one is lemon verbena.
I like this one better.
She likes lemon verbena better. I like this one too. This is the first one I ever ordered from Wise Owl, and I really like this scent. It has more of like a feminine, girly scent to it, but it's a really nice, clean smell to it, lemony. Smells really good. This one, tobacco flower,
It's pretty good.
to me it has almost more of a little bit of a more masculine scent to it. Still very, very nice.
Yeah.
But you like the other one better?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. All right, we'll ask your brother next what he thinks. Okay, now my teenage son is gonna give his take on which one he likes better.
Okay.
You like that one?
Yeah, I like it, but I'm gonna
Okay.
wait till I can smell the other one, and then I'll compare them.
That's tobacco flower.
I like that one.
Interesting. I think this one's
It's more manly.
Yes, I said it's more masculine.
Kind of
This one's kind of more femmy.
Femmy,
Well, feminine,
girly.
girly. All right, so you like tobacco flower.
Uh-huh.
Very nice. Thank you very much for participating. If you go out to the curtain, you will be greeted with a $1 Frosty coupon for Wendy's. Okay, bye. Don't be the Pope.